Omega. Non, Omega. Je me sens ça.
Peter 3, verse 1. How God, how Jehovah, the next week. I see that is a very good. There is a job. We are doing the job every day. If God is for us, now who can be against the both of us? We are talking only about these effects which are very expensive in the market. We are making all the job every day. Now, if the reason why every people doesn't like that job, and the soliciting, he doesn't like that job. Now, if God is for us, now who can be against the both of us? There is a job. God, thank you very much. I love you very much. Oh my God. What can I do? What can I speak for you? You are a self, Jesus. You are alone, Lord. Thank you very much, Daddy.
Merci,
Bye bye.
merci. Merci.